is our house. And that is so that's my laptop. And then that's the mirror. That is so there's only the on there. Okay, then that's my video. And then just this. I'm sorry if you're getting smaller and smaller. What's that white thing? Wait, I'm going to get it. To be colored enough. Okay, guys. Here's there. I need to replace there. That's my toy. That's my toy from One Piece. It's Masaki Oden's toy. It's a katana. But it's just fake. It's made of wood, but it looks like metal. Okay, guys. Part 4 is Black Sport Season done.